Hi, my name is William Schaeffer, and I have only a few minutes to talk about something I think is very important. I've been banking with the same bank, a major California bank, for 25 years. But I believe this is pretty common in the entire banking industry. And I'm surprised no one else has noticed it. And this is it. In my check ledger, which is just standard, you have deposits on the right and withdrawals on the left. The rightmost column is for registering deposits, and the leftmost column is for registering withdrawals. However, in all my bank statements and bank correspondence, it's switched. The most right-hand column is withdrawals, and then the left column is deposits. They're switched. For 25 years, my bank has been sending me statements and online statements recently where the rightmost column is withdrawals and the left column is deposits. And yet, in my check ledger, the rightmost column is deposits and the left column is withdrawals. It's backwards. It's absolutely backwards. It's my belief this is done by design. This is done to confuse people, to make it more difficult to balance your account so they get overdraft charges. If the banks were your ally in trying to keep an accurate record of your account, they would make less money on overdraft charges. If they can confuse you and help you to make small mistakes, they can make overdraft charges and make money in small increments off of you, the customer. Now, this has been going on for 25 years. I studied information processing in college. Anyone who is planning the layout and presentation of information in bank correspondence, in bank website design, and in bank ledger design is well aware of this fact. If they switch the columns, it will confuse people and they will make more money on overdraft charges. Now, this is just a small symptom of the deceit and dishonesty that's prevalent in a market economy. If you can find little ways to trick people to spend money they didn't intend to, you can take advantage of them and take their money. The problem is you have to constantly watch your back because your most trusted allies, in this case the banks, are trying to cheat you. They're trying to make your life more difficult intentionally. They intentionally have those columns switched. Now, if you haven't studied graphic design or information processing, this argument will seem kind of silly to you. But if you have, I suggest you research it further. Look at your own bank correspondence. Look at your own check ledger. See if the columns of withdrawals and deposits are lined up or switched. It's my guess they're switched, and your bank is trying to confuse you and make it more difficult for you to accurately keep a running total of the accurate balance in your account. Thank you, and leave your comments below.